Good morning sir, ito nga po pala yung step by step ng connection ng circuit ko. First thing I do is kinonect ko yung pin 8 sa positive rail ng breadboard, and yung pin 1 is connected to the negative rail of breadboard. Then I proceed to the pin 2, which is connected to the pin 6 of IC, and also connected to the negative of variable resistor. And then yung top naman nung variable resistor, which is yung middle ng potentiometer, is nakakonect din sa negative ng potentiometer, and also connected sa capacitor. Next is yung output ng IC, which is yung pin 3 is connected to the resistor, and yung cathode naman ng LED is connected to the ground. Then yung pin 4 is connected to the positive rail of breadboard. Then nakalimutan ko pala i-connect yung negative ng polarized ng capacitor, which is connected to the ground. Then after that, nag-proceed na ako sa pin 5, which is yung pin 5 is connected to the ceramic capacitor, and yung other end naman ng ceramic is connected to the ground. And then lastly, yung pin 7 is connected to the 8.2K resistor, and also connected sa positive ng potentiometer. So when I'm done to the step by step ng circuit ko, is nag-proceed na ako sa power supply ng circuit, which is I connect to the 5 volts power supply. Then ito na nga pala yung actual nung pag-simulate ng circuit ko. What I observe is yung kapag yung potentiometer is pinipihit mo pa clockwise, is yung blink ng LED is bumibilis, which is yung 3 components na nagko-control sa pagbilis ng blink ng LED. Yun lang sir, at thank you po.